capture video to show how to use Wetransfer to send images with just an email address and the internet. First, you need to set up a folder on your desktop where your pictures are you want to transfer. When that is done, go into your browser and type in wetransfer.com. That will bring up the page that you need to infill. I already have an account with this, so it brings up my page. It's easy, you do not need to upgrade. That is a paying option. When you go in, you can register your name and email address so it knows it's you, and it will validate and verify that it's you without having to do it every single time. So the first thing to do is to put in the email addresses as to who you want to send it to. So in this case, it's me. I can send more emails at the same time. I then go into title and then say this is weekly shots. Then you put in there, see you next week. Then you need to upload the folder that you've prepared, the one you made earlier. So click on there. That will then take you to then go to the desktop, select the folder that you want, upload it down here. That then tells you what it's going to be doing. Upload it on there. That will then put it into the folder to send. Simply click on transfer. Then that's it. Job is done. It will send that email to the internet, where it will then send me a message to say that it's ready to download.